Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional in evening Thursday, August the 17th, 2023. Already sold 3 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku and the back binary, and it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, binary, no, the tectonic, yes. And this one will be number 6941. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 17, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes here. Then the dual boxes. Do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes. I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. Need more information, insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes. Well. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yes, here another one. This box has the same name as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. We have a T shape here. And when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Okay. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Do we have more T shapes? Yeah. Rotated here. 1 rotated. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Only 2 T shapes. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Yeah, we have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. More L shapes. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here and another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More. No. Here another one. The third one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And the last shape, I believe, is this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. And this box is connected with that box should be so 1 or a 2, but we already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1, is connected with that box should be also 1. 1 box left in this area should be a 2. This box is connected with that box should be also a 1. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 1. Okay, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4, and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those, 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1 in this triple box. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay. Then this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not this. Oh, well. Again, these 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Alright. Can be 2. Can be 2. So the 2 should be there. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 2. But also that box can be 2, because if this box is a 2, well, it's connected with that box should be also 2, but we already have a 2 there. So this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that in this L-shaped area, this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, but also that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 4. Oh, well, wait. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. Well. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think so. This box is a 2 because we have a 2 there. So the only place left with 2 should be here. Well. Let me see. This box. Yeah. Okay, we need to go up. I think this box should be 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. This box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. I've marked those 2 boxes with 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then let me see, these 3 boxes surround the 3, can it be 3? So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2, but also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then this box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 4 and a 5, well, we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. We have a double 5 there, so I cannot place the 5 here. The only place left for the 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 should be here. 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and a 1, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 3. This box can be a 4, and that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Overlook this 2. We have a 2 and a 5 there, so we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 4 stars. No. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.